How to fix clock_watchdog_timeout BSOD error in Windows. 1. Restart your system, then install all available Windows Update. 2. Update all your device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Plan B, roll back the recently updated device driver, if you can. 3. Remove any third-party antivirus program using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide. Plan B, perform a clean. To locate the troublemaker, e.g. some problematic updates, virtual image managers. 4. Set the BIOS settings to the default stage. Plan B, update your BIOS. Plan C, disable C1-6 in BIOS. FYI, the modes or C state start at C0, which is the normal CPU operating mode. The CPU is 100% activated. Plan D, remove all overclock settings. 5. Run a memdist via mdschkd.exe. 6. Run sfc and chkdsk as admin. Commands include DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health sfc/scan chkdsk/r7. Update your SSD firmware and disable ALPM, aggressive link power management. 8. Disable C1E and Intel speed step in BIOS. 9. Manually set the speed of your RAM and turn off ASUS Turbo feature in BIOS. 10. Unplug your DVD drive when performing Windows installation. 11. Clean your computer case and check for potentially faulty hardware. In some reported case, it could be the CPU. Note, you may need to reset your hardware. 12. For advanced users, use Windows Driver Verifier. 13. Switch system sounds to external speakers. 14. Run verifier.exe/standard/all command as admin, then share the log file at c:\windows/minidump/ with some IT experts.